Hi guys, my name is Janice. Welcome to my channel. Today I am at Upper Boon Keng Hawker Center. Uh, yeah, food center here, market and food center, Upper Boon Keng. Going to see what's here. First time coming here. I heard there's good Malay food here. Even most of the owners are actually more than 50 years selling here. Roti John combo, Maggi combo, mee goreng. Kambing soup, mutton soup, most famous mutton soup since 1955. I love to drink kambing soup. Nice kambing soup. But mutton soup is huh? Yeah, kambing soup, I know. Yeah, hi. You're the owner?
Huh?
You're the owner?
Can.
You're the boss?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm actually taking video for YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah, YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
To buy coming soup.
No, YouTube. What's that? Yeah. Huh?
What channel? Channel name?
Janice's own channel.
Huh?
Janice's own channel.
Chinese own channel.
Yes. So, how many years already? 1955?
Yeah.
Wow, nice. Tom kambing soup. Hello. Hi. You are the owner?
Yes.
Hi. Selling here for many years?
9 years.
9 years. Oh, how's business?
Okay.
I'm actually taking video for YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
Yeah. I'm going to post in YouTube.
Okay. He
Yeah.
explain everything, huh?
Okay.
He's
What's
the
good
handsome boy.
here?
I explain.
What's good here?
Ask the question. He gave me.
What's the most?
The owner. I'm not the owner.
You're the owner?
My mother-in-law.
Your mother-in-law is the owner.
The son-in-law taking care of the shop.
Huh? Son-in-law taking care of the shop. I see. Nice. So what's best here?
Everything.
Everything is good. Everyone will say everything is good.
Try combo, best.
Huh?
Combo.
Combo Oh, a lot of combo here.
Yeah.
Where combo?
Different kind of combos.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Now this store they sell I think crackers. But they also sell like noodles, mee siam, some. Chinese own channel?
Janice own channel.
Yes.
I help you subscribe.
Huh? Thank you. Chinese own channel. Hi.
Janice own where?
Channel. Now look at this batu berapi grill. Kentang. This one nice. Or fried stuff. Looks nice. I like to eat this kind of food. Fried snack and fried banana and jackfruit. This store. most of the stores are closed in the afternoon I think after the lunch crowd. They are closed. So let's still explore. Let's see what's still open. Hokkien Mee. Carrot cake. Biryani, prata. All kinds of prata down here. They have all kinds of prata. Prata biryani. Nasi ayam pancake. Snacks, Chinese snacks. Fish soup. I heard that this store is actually quite popular. Yeah, quite popular, this store. Market now afternoon is closed. They got Hainanese Sickles curry rice here. I'm now actually late afternoon, so don't come during the afternoon. Come maybe breakfast or lunch hour. Well, this wonton noodle since 2002, homemade wonton noodle. Diners Kitchen. Sinoma. Mian fishball and laksa noodle. Fish soup store. Stuff. Looks nice, the fish soup. This is the soup store. Japanese cuisine. Coffee, drink store. Western food. This is one of the popular Western food here. And the prices is reasonable. Chicken chop. It's only 5.50. The rice. $7, chop $7. Prices reasonable. Chicken chop rice, it's nice. Homemade noodles, wanton mee. $4, $5. Besides wanton mee, they also sell other noodles. Oh, the wonder looks very good, huh? Wonton. Upper Boon Keng hawker center. This Western food is very popular. Cooking the fried stuff, chicken wing. And the chicken chop. Guys, I've ordered the Western food chicken chop. Right. rice from the Upper Boon Keng hawker center here. This is the chicken chop rice. It's good. Looking forward to eat it. And it's only $5.50. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Just tasted it. This is really, really good. You should come and try. Upper Boon Keng hawker center, the western corner. Chicken chop rice. Really good. Delicious. Okay, so that's it for Boon Keng hawker center. Don't come during late afternoon. I'm actually now in the late afternoon, so come earlier if you want to try out the foods here. Okay. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.